NiteHawk is the leading innovator in parking lot sweepers. Let's go over some features that put our trucks above anyone else's. Take good notes and ask the competition why they're scrambling to catch up. Stating it clearly, simple is better. Let's talk about the first big impact feature that we have here, the variable throttle cable. John, why don't you tell us a little bit about this?
Well, having the flexibility to control your sweeping performance gives you the ability to adjust to different situations. This may not sound like a big deal, but less wear and tear on your components means fewer replacements. Once again, saving you time and money.
Now, we've also talked a little bit about the hydraulics and how that leads to more fuel efficiency in the truck. Let's talk a little bit about some of the details, like this control panel here.
Well, the control panel is simple and efficient. Toggle switches that won't cost you an arm and a leg to replace, and simple automotive type fuses for every circuit. And of course, manual overrides for the hydraulic valves. NiteHawk wants to put all the controls at your fingertips and not outside the cab. Once again, simple design with ergonomics in mind.
So what about maintenance? Talk to us a little bit about what an auxiliary engine sweeper has to go through as far as maintenance goes.
Oil filters, fuel filters, air cleaners, spark plug, tune-up parts, the list goes on. And that's just if nothing breaks. Those items can add up to hundreds of dollars a month or thousands of dollars a year. Simple logic here. Change your fluid and filter every year or when this gauge turns red. It's that simple. Compare this to what the other guys are doing.
You've ever had a back engine not start? That can be a frustrating and costly experience. Let's compare that to what we're currently doing here with our hydraulics.
Again, it's simplicity. If the truck chassis fires up, then the hydraulics are working and you're sweeping. No downtime, and again, time is money.
So what about storage? In this business, you can never have too much. That's why we have this large, convenient toolbox here. Inside the box, we have a light and an extra tool tray. And then located in the back of the hopper, we've got two tool trays behind the back door. But let's talk a little bit about the hopper. John, tell us a little bit about this 304 stainless.
Quality stainless steel construction, dual side inspection doors, and a unique feature to NiteHawk, our non-clogging screen, which allows you to keep the debris where you put it, inside the hopper. If you're out in one of our competitors' trucks and you're sweeping anything light, leaves, paper, trash bags, you run the real possibility of having the screen clog. And then what happens?
Well, I imagine you got to climb inside the hopper and scrape it off with whatever tools you have, or maybe spray it down with water. With NiteHawk, you don't have those problems. You have simple and effective design.